Hi guys, today I will explain how to receive Solana in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage page, and this one is my crypto list. And if I scroll down here, you will see Solana. But if you did not see it here, then scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar, you have to write Solana. Once you will write on the top, you will see that crypto. And here, you will see multiple things of Solana. But make sure you have to enable the correct one, because if you enable the wrong one, then you will not get any tokens from that. So be careful. You have to enable the correct one. Once you enable it from here, then let's go back, and it will be show here. Click on it, and here you will see multiple options. So just click on the option Receive. And here are few ways by which you can receive Solana. This one is by scanning QR code. When someone will scan the QR code, then he can send Solana. One more thing here is you can also check the amount by yourself by clicking on the option Set Amount and enter the amount of Solana which you want to receive. Because if you enter and confirm, then the next person will have to pay that amount. But if you did not set any amount, then he can send any amount as he want. You can also copy this code by clicking on the option Copy and share it through WhatsApp and other apps. One of the most easiest way is click on the option Share. Then all the apps which are available for sharing will be show, and you can send it through that applications. And it was the way by which you can receive Solana from Trust Wallet.